asa lugar ta diata sa bus. So may tabuan ni sa microphone karon pagkanta magkurintiyan na tong simo bro. Tingala pa ka nakiri-kiri oh gabi mayin mo gimmick si Bernie. Nagkurintihan na di ay part sa joke nakiri-kiri. What's up people? And next stop, Mabit. Pag-asawa na pasagdanan na Batong Gaban. Whoa, mama. Rehearsals.
Ay kabala ka basta kuyulan ta, basta kuyugan duha. Why blima? It don't matter. Maluwa pagtaon nakatawa, basta kuyulan ta. Why blima?
Oh yeah. After sa kuan, practice sa ganina, before ko mula sa gig, niapit sa ko diri sa shop ni Hill Makaiba para sa akong event tomorrow. Kailangan ko mukhang mayaman. Dapat mukhang grabe ka mayaman. So kailangan ko suit. Suit ba? Magposilon dito ka? Suit. Oh shit ito. Ang pangutana, maiguan ba ko? Ang pangutana na ba'y maigo sa ko? Muna'y dako nga pangutana karon nga lisod tubagon. Atangi. Oh yeah people. Nanami karon diri sa atong Blue Energy nga gig. Medyo ulan-ulan. Kasi pagkanta lang mo sa ikaw. Samot kita. Musamot pag hindi na pagkanta lang to. Master Poppy! Hey! 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 Maria Pilinera! Hey! Hey! Hindi man naman mong gitarista drummer na pa daw sa SM. Tanam ni Bulwa. Kita mo sa Sky ron. Bus. Kita mo ana. So kumukanta meron.
Tanawa. Mura nag time lapse, pero dili na time lapse. Tanawa ko sa kayo.
Gusto mo pagkabit sa happiness.
Oh, ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pagpakawalan.
Kulang ang hashtag kapoy. Bida. Dapat na budi. Money siya. Pag uyap pa, pag minyo na, wala na rin. Wala na, naglunok na guys. Santog na. Yes. Tug na lagi. Nye. Para mabibo ni mga babae, maghubo na lang yun.
We're trapped guys, we're trapped. May mga kalaban.
Ma'am, nagulan ma'am. Kapag basa na kayo nagulan. Okay, asa lugar ta diata sa bus. So may tabuan ni sa microphone karon pagkanta magkurintiyan na tong simo bro. Tingala pa ka nagkirig-kirig. Oh, grabe, may mo gimmick si Bernie.
Abi lang part sa joke.
Part sa joke, nagkirig-kirig. Oh my God, so funny. Hey, perintihan. So cool.
Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda kung hindi ka kasama.
Wala mo kitog now?
Asa inyo balay?
Gigotom na mo, gigotom mo.
Oo, nganon.
Gigotom na mo kasi gigotom sa inyo. Pag sure ba, gitom mo? Amo ka bala ka mo, labay ra na. Abi libre.
Yo, G, what up? Who's this pretty blonde chick taking bomb rips? Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We partied hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious. She thinks the fact that I'm a broke rapper is awesome. Tennis lessons, I wonder what those Lacoste did. So shout out to all the Rachels and Lawrence, mind players in the wintertime. 3 courses for dinner time, VIP, Patron and lime, smoking weed while we drinking wine. Me packing district, there was a line. Oh, we must have skipped it, or she must have sniffed it. Living recklessly, she said to me. She said to me,
you won't need a real job because I would love to pay for you.
pay for me, yeah.
Be a good man to me.
I could do that, yeah, I could do that.
I would love to pay for you. You are made for me.
Walking out of Barney's, copping hella shit. Care for this lamb, skin is delicate. Paid like I'm selling it, but it's on my bitch, she's benevolent. 5 racks on my outfit, man, that's an estimate. Young and we decadent, she don't give a fuck, so I'm spinning it. See her pop's a politician, he was busy trying to balance out the deficit, while me and her were in his Mercedes, all affectionate. Shit, I'm just young and living life, man. Bad decisions, I ain't worried about the right plan. Every night I'm pulling Trojans out the nightstand, cause every night I'm pulling bitches from the mic stand.
Alan, last year, nagpalapon tao house and lot, okay? Very exciting in the next 2 or 3 months. Kaya naman, nakita na mo ang atong sakyanan na promo, very successful, okay?
The blind chick taking bomb rips. Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We partied hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious. She thinks the fact that I'm a broke rapper is awesome.
Daghang kayong salamat kay Bisa unsa nga klase nga panahon. Nakita na napo ang post akong kauban kaniya. Dahil siya, rain or shine, tuloy na gihapon ang party tonight. And yeah, it's true yun kay Wagi mo Madia.
Oh, we must have skipped it, or she must have sniffed it. Living recklessly, she said to me. She said